what's up? It's me, Tasha Nicole here. If any of you are new to my channel, I'm Tasha Nicole. Welcome. Thank you for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this spring dramatic look. Bringing it a little closer for you guys can see. Yes. Oh, yes. Yeah, y'all see that ombre look, right? Y'all know I don't even do that, right? But I did something different. Okay, anyway. Yes, so I know I've been kind of MIA lately, but I'm back and I'm better. I am. Just handling some business, you know what I'm saying? Just, But yeah, I'm back, guys, to do another makeup tutorial for you all, and I hope you enjoy this makeup tutorial, by the way. And if you do, please comment, rate, and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Take care. Bye. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with the primer first. For primer, I am going to use the Baby Skin Primer from Maybelline. And this is really good for hiding pores. This foundation. This is pretty much how I found like 90%, maybe 95% of my pores, but it's still like a really good primer, you know. So after that's done, for foundation, this, I know you guys can't see the words on it, but this is Black Radiance Color Perfection foundation, and I am in the color Cocoa Bean. And I'm just going to get some of my matte face plus spray, my face brush from Real Techniques. Sprit some on there and blend it out. Alright guys, so we're going to go into this Anastasia Beverly Hills Mono Renaissance palette. And I went into the warm taupe color right here. Use my finger for my applicator for that. And the top lid right here, it's going to be more neutral than what we're going to do on the bottom. And you'll see that later on in this video. And I'm just applying about like maybe 6-7 shades on here. That's all. I'm going to go into Love Letter, which is this dark pink color right here. This pretty dark pink color. And I'm going all the way up. So I'm going in the creases, not only in the creases, but above the creases as well. And I am using the e.l.f. blending brush to do it. And I just keep blending it out. Alright, so I'm going into the Saharan 2 palette. And I went into this shimmery color right here. And I'm putting it in the creases right here. Just to give it a nice dramatic look, you know. I was trying to do white. Like, I wish I had like a white eyeshadow because that's what I really wanted. But unfortunately, I don't have white. So, yeah.
No, we're scared of us, what this might become. Ain't no going back no more, no more. We're in the same bed, can I lay your way? Let's fill up, and I'm catching feelings, baby.